Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe and I will show you the fuse boxes locations. This video will apply to Chevy Tahoes made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now these vehicles have two fuse boxes. Main one is under the front hood and the second one is in a passenger's cabin on the left side on the side of the dashboard. So the main fuse box is under the front hood, just like I said, it's here on the driver's side. Now to remove this cover, you just have to push the cover a bit towards the left side and then lift it up. I'm gonna show you here, it's held by two black tabs. So one here and one here on the other side. So what you want to do, you want to push it towards this side and then just lift over these tabs, you see, to unlock it. And same thing you will do here. I have to use both of my hands, but you just want to pull it over the tab. Okay, see. Okay, once you have removed the cover, on the back side you will have a pretty nice fuse diagram which can help you to locate each of the fuses. And here are all the fuses and relays. Second fuse box will be in the passenger's compartment on the side of the dashboard. Now to access it, you'll also have to remove this cover. You can do that just by pulling it over yourself, just like this. And on the back side, again, you will have a nice small fuse diagram. And here is the access to all of the fuses. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.